Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Riri. Thank you guys so much for watching. So extra. Anyways, today I'm feeling great. So as you can see in the title, I'm gonna be reviewing the True Blend Matte Made Foundation by CoverGirl. Okay, CoverGirl came out with 40 shades. 40 shades. Actually, let me pick up the package right now. It's kind of heavy, so just give me 2 seconds. Okay, so this is the package right here. So heavy. 40 shades, you guys, and 4 primers. This is what CoverGirl came up with, and honestly, I'm amazed. I feel like it's great. You know, everybody should be included no matter how white or dark you are. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna be reviewing, and like I said earlier, I'm not gonna be showing you the eye makeup or anything. I'm gonna be mainly focusing on the foundation and how it feels on the skin and do a kind of like wear test. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's get right into it. So before I jump into this review, I just wanted to say that I've already done my eye makeup, as you guys can see, and I've only used an orange eyeshadow for my crease using the Magic by Juvia's Place palette, and for my lid I used this green, shimmery green eyeshadow using this Syzygy palette. So this is the one right here, and this is a duochrome palette. I don't know if you guys can see. It's so cool, and I feel like you guys should really try it out. Like, it's amazing. I've been obsessed with it, and I feel like with summer and all, like, it will be perfect for you guys to like try, you know, like different colors and all. And for the hair, I know you guys are probably gonna ask me like where I got it from, and this hair is from Van Love. I love how voluminous it is. It's so soft, it's Brazilian, it's water curly, and it's 20 inches. And as usual, I will list everything in the DB down below. I've washed it at least like 10 times, like I'm not even lying. Like, I washed it at least 10 times and it still feels the same. I love this hair, I'm obsessed, and I feel like you guys should get yours. Okay, anyways, so let's jump right into this review. I was pretty amazed by the shade range because I don't know if you guys saw my last video about like the CoverGirl Spring Collection. I wasn't really a fan of it because the darkest shade were these. So for the Vitalist Healthy Powder, this was the darkest shade, which is pretty ridiculous to me. And then for the concealer, this was also the darkest shade, also ridiculous. So the fact that they came out with 40 shades is amazeballs, like from light, tan, medium, and dark. And I love the fact that they came out with this little I guess guide right here or something showing like every single product, and it's written because we listen. And I love the fact that they added this because it just really shows that, you know, they take into account like what people say, like the reviewers and then the customers and all that. So okay, so first off, I'm gonna talk about the primer. So you have the color neutralizing, then you have the skin smoothing, definitely need that. Pore minimizing, definitely need that. I have huge pores. And you have the illuminating primer, and I don't think I'm gonna use it. My skin is already oily and I've been breaking out like crazy lately. I don't know what's going on with my skin. My skin has been so disrespectful. I'm gonna start off with the skin smoothing first. Add some more. I usually go crazy with these because I mean my skin is just something else right now. Like, I don't even understand. Next, I'm gonna use the pore minimizing. It's purple. Okay. I have like a bunch of like foundations, but I was kind of like getting tired of the one that I had. Like, I wanted to change it up a bit. And guess what? One day, like, I just wake up like in the morning, open my front door, and what do I see? A huge package from CoverGirl. I was like, oh my god, perfect timing. So what do they say about this foundation? So like I said earlier, you have light, tan, medium, and dark. It claims that it's for all skin needs, and my skin is definitely in need right now for like some like full coverage foundation and matte foundation because my skin is oily again, and I have like a lot of like problem areas. And it says that it minimizes pores, okay, control shine, okay, feels comfortable on your skin, okay, and stays up to 12 hours. Okay. Oh my god. these primers are bomb. Like my skin feels so smooth. So I'm gonna apply this, and usually for my foundations I apply about like 2 pumps. So I'm gonna start with the first layer. Actually, I think this is the right shade. Let me use my beauty blender. And yeah, I like my foundation to like really be full coverage. Honestly, I was expecting it to be a little bit like the Huda Beauty one, but I have to like add some more foundation on it. So it definitely feels like it's more like medium coverage. I wouldn't say, you know, like full coverage right away. Like you have to like, you know, add layers. But it's okay because this is actually my second layer. I can already see some of the pimples disappear. So right off the bat, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like it's really easy to blend. Like it doesn't feel heavy compared to like some of the foundation that I used before. And I'm talking about the Huda Beauty, for example. I like the Huda Beauty one because it's full coverage and matte as well, but you can definitely feel something heavy on your face, you know? And this is only the foundation, so imagine like when you add the concealer and the powder and all of that, like it feels heavy. So the fact that this feels pretty light is good. Okay, and the last thing I'm gonna do is actually add some more foundation on, you know, like my problem areas, as you can see right here. Oh my god, I look so yellow right now. But yeah, T60 is definitely my shade. So if you guys feel like we have the same, you know, like skin tone and all of that, then T60 is your shade as well. So now that I'm done applying the foundation, what I'm gonna say about this is, like I said, like it's so easy to blend. It doesn't feel like too thick. Let me get a little bit closer. You can definitely tell like the coverage is pretty good, and this is because I added like 2 layers and actually another layer on top of my pimple, so about 3. So I would say 2. Let's just say 2. So 2 layers. It feels lightweight, like honestly, like I don't even feel like I have really something on my face right now. Compared to like some foundation, this is pretty light to me, and the fact that it's matte and covers some of my problem areas so well is pretty good. And I don't know exactly what it retails for, but I checked online and it was between $8 and $9. So I feel like it's pretty affordable, and I'm honestly amazed. Like this foundation looks pretty good. Now that I've done my foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and just do my regular like makeup routine, like foundation routine and all of that, and you guys already know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use the Tarte Shape Tape for my concealer. I just feel like you guys have already seen me do that like so many times, and I'm a creature of habits. So like nothing has really changed, so I feel like there's no point for you guys to see it. So I'm gonna do the rest of my face off camera, and when I will get to the lips, then I'll be back. The lips, I don't really know. I've been hesitant about maybe some orange lips to go with the crease, the eyeshadow. What do you guys think? I don't know. Anyways, I think I'm just gonna do that. So I'm using the Notion lip liner by ColourPop, and I'm gonna add this orange matte lip cream on top. It's by Cougar. I love this look. What do you guys think? Ooh, hey. And just because I feel kind of extra right now, I'm gonna add this, and it's by Syzygy as well, and it's a duochrome liquid lip color, and it has a like kind of like pink greenish, I don't know what color that is, but yeah, you guys get the point. I'm just gonna add it like in the center of my cupid's bow just because I'm feeling extra today. What do you guys think about this look? Oh my god, I feel like this is one of my favorite looks that I've ever created on my channel right now. So okay, let me wrap this up. So I got this 4 primers right here. So first one was the color neutralizing. I don't know why. I feel like I might knit it. Yes, I guess I kind of knit it with my, you know, like acne and all of that, my skin problems, but I don't really like to color correct. So whatever. The skin smoothing, my skin feels amazing. It felt amazing as I was touching it. I was like, oh my god, like I love it. And the pore minimizing, my pores were definitely way smaller than they usually are, which means that this thing really works and you guys should definitely try it out. I haven't tried the illuminating one because listen, I have pimples, okay, and I'm not trying to like show it off right now, and I feel like the sweat illuminating products kind of do, so get away from it from now, and maybe when my skin is gonna feel better and get better, I will try it out. But so far the skin smoothing and the pore minimizing are definitely bomb. Talking about the foundation, definitely gonna be using this like a lot more. It was the perfect timing because honestly I already needed a foundation. You have to take into account that my skin is extremely oily, and right now looks amazing, it feels great, definitely lightweight, it's matte, you can definitely tell, and it's so easy to blend. It doesn't feel thick, it just does the job like very nicely. So I would definitely recommend this. If you guys don't have it, then you guys should definitely get it, and I feel like it's so affordable. And if you have the same skin tone as mine, I'm T60. I honestly can barely see my pores right now, so maybe it's the primer or the foundation because it claims that, you know, it minimizes pore as well, so maybe it's a combination of like both. But my pores were definitely way smaller and I love it. I'm definitely not gonna wait like 12 hours because this is torture for me. Like I don't like to keep my makeup this long, and you know, with my acne problems I feel like it's just not gonna help because my skin needs to breathe. But like I said, like so far honestly I would definitely recommend this. And one thing that I want to say is thank you so much CoverGirl for sending me this. This foundation is bomb, the primers are bomb as well. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and if you guys maybe have this foundation, please comment down below and let me know what you guys like about it. And if you don't, I hope this review kind of helped. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure you guys stay tuned for my next video. And until then, I will see you guys next time. Bye.